Hi everyone. Yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. This is just how to use Genius Reborn 2. This system is the perfect system for binary. All right, so basically, I'm just gonna be quick and tell you how simple it is to use this system. This system is about 75 to 80% win rate. It's a very good system. Many signal providers around are using it. All right, so with this system you can either use it for a 5-minute expiration time or use it for 15 to 10-minute expiration time, depending on which broker you're using, right? So let me just explain to you what happened. Let's pick up any example. So here's what will happen, right? You see, for example, here, right, we have a perfect example here. We have the market that comes, right? This when you see blue, whenever you have blue, you only buy or call. Whenever you have red, you only put or sell, right? So at the moment you have this green dot. The green dot needs to appear outside of this channel. You see the red line there and the green line. So the green dot need to appear outside. For example, here the green dot appear here, and I will wait for one candle, and that one candle that will come after the green dot needs to be a bullish candle. That means a green candle, bullish candle, and it needs to close above the previous rate, right? And then you enter there, right? For 5 minutes it will be in the money, for 10 minutes it will be in the money. We have the other one here, another opportunity here. You see, for example, this one open. I can either enter after this green, or safest way to enter when it closed above the previous red one here. So I enter for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I'm in the money, right? So so now one is the thing, one of the most important thing to look at is this. You must make use, for example here, you must make use of this blue line, which is like a trend line, right? Just see what is a trend line telling you, right? If you have an opportunity that is at the same time when there's a trend line, basically, let's say the green dot, let me just move it a bit. Let me just, oh, can't move that. Yeah, so let's say, for example, here the green dot is coming. The perfect place when the green dot can come is where there is, maybe, let's say, a Fibonacci line. There is that, can you see that green line coming from this Fibonacci? You see we have one horizontal here. You see point like this on horizon, one line there. We have the blue line there, and then the green dot, once it appear outside of that, of this channel, you see the red line, there's a red kind of a moving average there, right? So wait for the green dots to get there. Yes, perfect. This is the perfect example. Can you see that? Now from here, can you see that that is a strong resistance there? So the market is going to turn from there. So that's where the market is going to turn from. So I'm going to see what's going to happen there, and that is going to be for a sell opportunity. But now look what happened. Look what's happening here. Look what's happening here. Let's see what's going to happen after. You see, so as you can see, just after this perfect setup there, the market is really dropping down there. Okay guys, so that's as easy as you can see there. And just this horizontal line, any horizontal line, you must know they are support or resistance, and they are very important. Whenever you get an opportunity, can you see there, it was at the Fibonacci 0. Whenever you have an opportunity there, it's the best opportunity. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and just make sure you you contact us if you have any question or you need a software or anything. Thank you guys. Enjoy.